Hi YouTube, it's Lauren with My Pink Hanger. I am just gonna hop on today and show you guys a haul video from everything I found at the San Diego bins. They are in San Ysidro, and everything you'll see today I will be selling online. I predominantly sell on Poshmark. I do dabble in eBay and Mercari as well. I am full-time at Reselling, and yeah. I'll try to tell you as much details about the stuff, and then of course some of it I end up keeping for myself. I'll call that out. Our bins is not per pound, it's basically per piece. So almost everything is $1. I will call out the pieces that were more than $1, and I'll try to tell you how much they were. So let's dive in. Free People, size medium. It's like a rust oversized knit sweater. Thought that was cute. Let's see. Oh, this is just a basic REI women's like hiking shirt. That's like a bread and butter for me. It was just in good condition. This is a Harley shirt, Camarillo, California. And then it has the box on it. It does have a little paint stains. You can see them. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, or just sell it as is, or maybe just put it as an auction on eBay. I got this IKEA blanket. It's so cute. I just couldn't like pass it up and leave it. So I grabbed it. I'm gonna wash it. I think it's a good blanket for the car. It's 100% wool. It's like super nice quality, and it's so cute. So I picked that up. That was $1. I did get this. You guys are gonna laugh at me. I got this. It's Zara, little girls. It's a size 2 to 3 little like jumper. Isn't it so cute? That's gonna go on my hope chest for if I have a girl. So I'll hold on to that for a little while. This one's for me. It is a vintage. It's Pro Spirit. It's just like a rose pink. It's just like a pullover sweatshirt. I don't know. I thought it was kind of cute, so I'll probably wear it and then try to sell it. This is for me as well. I don't know if this is gonna end up working out. I need to wash it. I've been wanting like an oversized denim jacket. And this is definitely an oversized like long vintage jacket or denim jacket. It does have like a little patch on it somewhere. What side is it on? But I figured I could, it's a small patch, so I figured I could get like a bigger one, like get a My Pink Hanger one made, or like something about reselling, or just something I like to cover it. But I don't know, I just thought that was cute. And that was $2, maybe $2 or $3. Sometimes like the jackets and stuff, like this REI like vintage fleece, I'm obsessed with this. This is like so cute. I think it's a size medium. I think it's men's. This one was $3, but isn't it cute? I love it. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, I got these. Love these. These are an extra small Puma. This is the back. They're like a jogger pant. The gold. Cute, right? And then this is the front. I gotta try those on to see what they look like. I'm just curious more than anything. Tommy Hilfiger, size medium, denim shirt. It is, I believe, vintage. 1990s, because I used to wear that. Collective Concepts. I don't always pick up this brand, but it did have the dry cleaning tag, and it's in super good condition, and it's cute. So pick that up. This is a 100% cotton medium made in the USA, just chambray denim shirt. I feel like denim just does well, especially vintage, because it's made better. These are H&M size 8. It's like a high-waisted linen short. I'll probably try to wear these and then sell them, but I just thought they were cute for an event in spring or summer. Dress them up or down. BP size small knit sweater, blush. That will probably be for me and then sell. I think it's gonna get cold again for a little bit before it gets hot here in San Diego. It just usually does that. This is like an old tag cabbie size medium sweater. I just liked the look of it, and it was in good condition, so I picked that one up. Ooh, this. These are so soft. I don't know if you guys have ever found this, but the Dreamers brand, so soft. I have one of these it's from Nordstrom's, like in the brass plum. nothing crazy. It's a size medium, but they're just so soft. So I'll sell that one because I have a couple of those myself. Let me get this pile right here so I can show you. Oh, I found this Gucci bag without the Gucci. So I still bought it. It was 50 cents. I'm like, oh, longing for Gucci, but I know dust bags still sell, so we'll see. These are Free People, super cute. What is their movement? Free People movement pants, size small. And then they have these tie legs in black. Super cute. Oh, this I love. This I'm definitely gonna wear so I can get a cute photo and then list it. It is Zara. It's like a crop shirt, floral, size medium, super cute. This I might try to fit into. It's just like a Victoria's Secret, what do you want to call it, bralette. This is Loft, size medium petite, super cute blouse for spring. It's like almost brand new. This Free People is a size small, striped brown, like oversized, super cute and like new. It doesn't even look like it's been washed. This is another Free People, size small, although I feel like this could fit a medium or even a large just because of the oversizedness of it. But it's cute pink. I'd have to try that one on, but I won't keep it. This is a new to me brand, Faherty, Faherty. There are some pretty good comps on it, so I picked it up. I don't know how this particular shirt will be, but it looked like they had some dresses and some other stuff that were selling for like in the 70s and 80s, so I bought it. This is Mob Cloth. Oh, shoot, got caught on a zipper. Oh no, it has a pull, dang it. Let's see if I can pull it out. Yeah, I can. This is Mob Cloth. It was in that Fun Fit Fab box. I've sold it before. I picked it up. It's a great shawl. It's just giant. Like it could literally be like a blanket if you wanted to. That's why I think it's a great shawl. I got some, these are American Eagle 00 cutoffs. They're cute. People say American Eagle does well. I've never sold it, so I picked it up and I'm gonna try it. This just feels good and expensive. It's a sports bra. I can't find any tagging on it, so I'm just keep it for myself for like a sports bra. It's super nice though. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it was like something expensive. It's just all the tags have been cut out, so I don't know what it is. So it'll be for me. This is a J. Crew Mercantile. I don't know what that means, but it's an 8 petite and I just thought it was super cute. I don't always buy J. Crew, but I felt like that was really cute for summer. Oh, this is another one that I loved. This is a vintage Gloria Vanderbilt, like velour, like pullover V-neck. Her little swan logo. It's just like so cute. So it might be something I wear once and then sell. This is another vintage piece. I feel like I don't even buy or sell that much vintage, but I buy it because I can't leave it when it's so cute. Sicius, California. It's a 13-14, but it's just like a really cute skirt. So hopefully somebody wants that. Let's see, I got a bunch of Harley tees today. And two of them, let me see if I can find, yeah, so two of them were like already cut like this. So I figured for festival season, that would do good. And then this one, actually I don't think is Harley, but it's like kind of the same vibe. And it's already cut and like has like beads on it. And then this is an actual Harley tee. It's from Seattle, size 2X. I got these Green Apple. Never heard of this brand. I looked it up. The comps were so-so, but they're two like almost identical, so I figured I'd batch them together. They're size small, like yoga pants. They're just good quality. Like I could feel it. That's why I put them in my cart to look up. So I'll just group them together and sell them like as a pair. Soft surroundings, size XL, purple long sleeve, super thick and good condition. I don't always pick up this brand, but the condition was good and yeah. Oh, I got this for myself. I typically hate red as a rule, but I thought that would be a cute, it's like a really cute bikini top. I can't show it to you right up because it doesn't look, oh, see how spastic I am? All right, let's hurry through this. 2 pairs of Levi's 550, 36, 34. These were $2. Another pair of American Eagle cutoff shorts in black. I got this, a couple beanies today. Columbia, like hat beanie. A splendid bra for me that feels like heaven. It's so soft. Wasabi and mint, this is for me. I used to sell this when I did wholesale. And my camo shirt is like, I just needed a new one, and it's like new. And I actually love the Wasabi and mint brand. It's super soft and it lasts good. I think this is Meadow Rue. The tag is kind of faded out, but it just gives me those like anthro hippie vibes. So pick that up. A Carhartt thermal, size XL. It's like brand new. Have not sold Carhartt, but I know it's a good brand. Cloth and Stone, size large. Like flannel blouse, it's super cute. Woolrich beanie. It's not vintage, but it looks vintage. Charger shirt. I love my Charger still. I know everybody doesn't, but Quicksilver XL rash guard in good condition. This is a one I love. Again, I don't love, like, I'm not a vintage, like, you know, I don't look for it, but look at how cute this is. Padres. I just at least have to wear this to a Padres game this year, and then maybe I'll sell it. But isn't it so cute? And like, Taz used to be my favorite when I was little, so it's super cute jersey. And then we can sell it. Monkey, size medium. The comps were decent, so I picked it up just because it was a cute like black blouse. This is for me, Forever 21 cutoff, size 28. I am getting bigger and need shorts. And one more. Oh, these are for me too. These are just Old Navy Go Dry pants. I've never tried their workout pants, and since I started working out, I need more clothes, so I figured I'd give those a try. And then on to the shoes. We recently got shoes, which is super exciting, so I just go to the shoes like last. Callaway, like they're seriously brand new, and like look at how cute these golf shoes are. I feel like if I was a girl in golf, I would want like cute shoes like that, so I picked those up. This brand, these are brand new, they've never been worn. It is Josef Sable, Josef Sable. The comps are all over the place, but some of them are good. So all the shoes, these were $2, so, and then all the rest of the shoes were $3. Stuart Weitzman patent like bow slingback, cute. Another pair of just like classic Stuart Weitzman black classic patent round toe heels. And last but not least, Kate Spade New York, and these are like really good condition. Like the heel is like barely touched. That is my haul. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you learned anything, if you have any questions, what you want to see more of me. Please subscribe. It means a lot to me. I am trying to grow this channel, and I am trying to provide value to everybody in the reseller community, or if you're interested in reselling, or even just shopping for you to save money, or even if you're just shopping secondhand because it's sustainable for the planet. There are so many different reasons to do it, and there's so much already out there. So yeah.